Yes. So, hello everyone. I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to discuss about the chapter number 1, which is set. First of all, let me clear the definition for the set, right? A collection of well-defined object known as set. For example, what is the definition is going to say? The collection of a well-defined object is known as the set there. For example, collection of a vowels. Collection of a vowels is there. That is, you are going to represent a set like that. Let's suppose A be the set, and the representation for the set is to be like that: A, E, I, O, and U. So basically, this is the well-defined objects. That is A, E, I, O, U. This is the collection for the vowels. Also, we can say set of natural numbers. Set of natural numbers less than 7. This one is also the example for the set, because वेल डिफाइंड ऑब्जेक्ट्स हैं जिसमें आपके पास मैं नेचुरल नंबर्स लेता हूं जो मेरे पास लेस देन 7 होंगे. दैट इज a इज इक्वल टू 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 is to be there. But suppose if I am talking about again the natural numbers is to be there, that is the set for the natural numbers which is less than 7 but including 7 as well. So it means the example is like that: 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 is to be there. This is the examples for the set. Now going for the representation. Going for the representation. Two forms is to be there. One is the roster form and second one is the set builder form. Set builder form. To go with the roster form first. Go with the roster form. And what is roster form? This is also known as the tabular form. Known as the tabular form. Example: collection of all multiples of 50. Collection of all multiples of 50. That is A is equal to all multiples of 50 is to be there: 50, 100, 150 and so on. This is the collection for the multiples for the 50 there, and this is the representation for the roster form. Now moving with the set builder. Let's take an example: 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Set of natural numbers. Set of natural numbers. This one is the common example for the set builder. And A is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 is there. It means 7 is also including for the natural numbers there. So how we are going to write down this term in a set builder form? A is equal to x such that x such that x which is less than and equal to 7, which is less than and equal to 7, and x belongs to n, where n is the natural numbers. This is the right way to write down the terms in the form of set builder. Yes, now moving with the types of set. So we're having 5 to 7 types for the set there. So the one type is empty set. Second is finite. Third is infinite. Fourth is singleton. Fifth is equal. And sixth is equivalent. Yes. Going with the first one, जैसे कि नाम से ही पता चलता है एम्प्टी सेट, इट मींस कोई भी ऐसा सेट जिसमें आपके पास नल एलिमेंट इज टू बी देयर, दैट इज 5, एंड द रिप्रेजेंटेशन फॉर द एम्प्टी सेट इज टू बी 5. Second one is finite. Go with the examples. And the examples for the finite set of a real number. 1 up to 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 is there. This is the finite set. And going for the infinite set, natural number, set of natural numbers up to infinite, yani ki 1, 2, 3 up to and so on is the example for the infinite set. Now moving for the singleton, it means it consists only one element over there. For example, a is equal to 2. Going for the equal set, a set is said to be equal while a of the elements is equal to the elements of the b there. This is called the equal one. Moving with the equivalent, equivalent is going to represent like that. N of a is equal to n of b, where n of a is going to represent the cardinal element of a and the cardinal element of v. It means जितने भी cardinal element होंगे a के, वो cardinal element b के equal होंगे. This one will shows the equivalent type for the set there. Yes, now moving with the subset and universal set. Subset and universal set. Yes, subset is there. So subset, let A and B are two sets. If every element of A is an element of B, if every element of A is an element of B, then A is called, a subset of B. A subset of B. And representation for the subsets, A is a subset of B. A is a subset of B. For example, let's suppose take a B element and the A element is to be there. A set and B set is there. For A, it consists 2 and 3 elements. And for B, it consists 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we can say A is a subset of B because 2 and 3 elements is to be there, so it will consist by B as well. So it will give you the result like that. A is subset of B. अगर इसके दो elements आपके B elements में present हैं, तो it will shows you that A जो है वो subset बन जाएगा उसके B का, क्योंकि the definition is already saying A and B are the two sets if every element of A, जितने भी element होंगे A के आपके पास वो क्या होंगे, is an element of B. Like 2 and 3 is the element for A here, तो इट मीन्स 2 और 3 जो है आपके पास वो बी में प्रेजेंट है, तो ये सिंपली क्या क्लैरिफाई करता है, ए जो है वो सबसेट बनाता है किसका, बी का. मूविंग विद द यूनिवर्सल सेट. यूनिवर्सल सेट जो है आपके पास, इट इज गोइंग टू बी डिनोट बाय कैपिटल यू. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, लेट्स टेक द एग्जाम्पल फॉर द यूनिवर्सल वन. Let's suppose A is equal to 1, 2, 3 up to the 10, and the B element is to be there 1, 2, 3 and 4. C element is to be 5 and 7. D element is to be D element is to be 7 and 9. So we can say here what is the which one is the universal set. It is quite clear and obvious. The A1 is the universal set because ये जितने भी elements हैं आपके पास वो A में क्या हो रहे हैं, present is to be there. So that's why they are known as the, this one is known as the universal set here. A. This is called the universal set. So this is the pure example for the universal one. Yes. Now moving with the subparts for the subset there.